nadarama ko rin. Narito ang mga palad ko, handang dumamay kung kailangan mo. Asahan mong mayroon kang kaibigan, laging tapat sa'yo. At kung kailangan mo ko sa oras ng iyong pag-isa, kung naninindig, asahan mong ako ay darating. Kung kailangan mo ba to sa sandaling bigo na ang
Dealer pala
lahat,
tong manager.
pusong kay tamis, kailan may di kita matitiis. Sa sandaling kailangan mo ako. Parang si Michael B. daw si JC. Wala? Sabagay, ikit naman yan, tsaka ano. Huwag ka na malungkot daw, Alexa. Narito ang mga palad nyo. Ay, sana all. Handang dumamay kung kailangan mo. Asahan mong mayroon kang kaibigan, laging tapat sa'yo. At kung kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-isa, kung naninindig, asahan mong ako ay darating. Kung kailangan mo ako sa sandaling bigo na ang lahat, pusong kay tamis, kailan may di kita matitiis. Sa sandaling kailangan mo ako. Ayan, yung kanta ko yan, para sa lahat yan. Kapag kailangan nyo ako, dito lang ako. Always.
Ko si
Pero sa
JC
financial, hindi
nagliliguan na, nakahubad na.
Sa financial, di masyado. Alam nyo na. Baka ako pa yung manghiram sa inyo. Ala, si JC naligo na ba?
Nagsasayaw na nga
Kada
kanina,
mahulog yung
papikit-pikit
cellphone
ka,
mo.
nakasayaw na si JC. Face
Uy,
the
naliligo.
wall.
Naligo nga.
Ay, ang
Buisit ka.
Sige lang. O, sige, next. Go to MCV.
Uy, mamaya
Sana
na
mahulog
ako.
talaga yung phone mo. Hello. Ikaw na.
Ay, hindi na ako ipagpalit kasi ng pwesto.
Bakit?
Dati
Sino ba? Ano pang gusto mo?
Ha?
Na kami.
Ano bang gusto mo? Pang ilan ka?
Kay Ma'am Alexa na lang muna,
Wow.
paakyat.
Kaya nga.
Dapat mga singer muna ang maririnig bago sintonado.
Uy, singer din kayo ah. Nasa GC nga kayo na singers hub eh.
Uy, nasa live house pa.
Nasa GC. O sige na. Kahit sino sa inyo, kayo bahala.
Pag
JC,
nalaglag ang
nakakanta daw si
cellphone niya,
JC.
bibilisan
Gusto niyo
natin.
bunutan?
Si JC habang nagsasabo ng tea.
Ano, magpapunutan pa tayo.
Bilisan natin yung screenshot. Kapag nalaglag yung cellphone niyan, may lalabas diyan.
Screen record mo na.
Sino na nga?
Putsang gala. Sige na, ako na.
Pili. Ayan na si Alexa.
Ayun.
Ang bait. Thank you.
Sige, ito mo.
Go, Alexa.
Wala na explain na.
Wait mo lang. Pagkatapos mo kumanta.
Ayop. Ito. Yung masaya-saya. Hall of Fame. Rockers ako rockers.
Halata naman sa hairstyle mo.
Kaya ko ba to? You could be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Yan, may nag-PM. Yan. And the world's gonna know your name. You burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can run a mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you could get the gold, breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. You're never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name, cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name, cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Yan. Students be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. And the world's gonna know your name. Donna. And the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yun.
Nice.
Diba?
Ano
Donna.
explanation mo dyan?
No explanation dun, wala. Hindi, gusto ko lang siya kasi, yung mga words, yun. Dedicate ko yun sa'yo. Kasi you're a hardworking manager. Charis.
Ay! Ako yun, kahit medyo tamad, sabi na yung CV. Tamad eh. Hardworking.
Hindi
Thank you, kasi
hindi.
na-appreciate mo yun, yung pagiging ganun, kahit medyo tamad ako.
Yes. We appreciate you. Hindi man namin sinasabi every day.
Si Sammy tawang-tawa. Si Sam ba to? Ano account to?
Ano yun?
Si Si Sammy, si Sam to?
Parang. Di ko alam.
Ang dami mo account ah.
Ang dami talaga.
Kaya ka na pagsasabihan na scammer ka eh.
Ayop.
Thank you, Alexa. Love you.
Love you, manager.
Okay,
Happy
next.
birthday.
Mamaya, babalikan kita. Ulit. Sino next? Kayo na, mag-willing victim na kayo dyan. Bala
Sige
kayo.
na, ako na.
Maghanap na siya.
Hello.
Hello! Go,
Ganda
Ate Mado. Pabaliktad na lang kaya. Ang gulo niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Sige,
Magandang
pabaliktad.
gabi sa Pilipinas. Magandang hapon sa Italy. Yan. Yan. Sana po magustuhan ng aking inihandang kanta para sa'yo, Donna. Donna, hero. You're a hero.
At,
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul and the sorrow that you know, there's no way. And then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fear aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside and be strong, and you finally need it too, that a hero lies in you. It's a hero when you face the road alone. No one reaches out for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you feel will disappear. Then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside with me strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Just so hard to follow. Here comes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fear aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside and be strong, and you finally it's true. Happy birthday! That a hero lies in you. One of our favorite. Alam ko favorite mo yun doon, hero. That a
Thank you, Temado. Explain mo naman, kahit favorite ko.
Ano ba yan, Madu? Parang tahimik sila. Wala. Kasi nalungkot sila sa kanta ko. Hero ko kasi.
Hindi, syempre, kumakanta, tahimik lang kami, guys.
Oo.
Pero natawa kami. Nagsasalita kami, chat kami, ganun.
And hero kasi yan. May kanya-kanya tayong hero sa buhay. Ayun, din sa message din ng kanta. Magpakatatag lang tayo. Kahit walang hero sa buhay natin. Or walang Superman or Wonder Woman. Tayo ang hero din. Mother hero.
Totoo yan. Tayo yung pinaka-hero sa sarili natin. Kasi wala na may ibang tutulong sa atin kundi sarili natin.
Yeah.
Yung gusto mo mag-emote
Saka
pero
syempre-
nag-brush si JC.
Yan, yung hero ni JC yung toothbrush.
Ayusin mo yan. May nakasingit na dyan. Kita ko.
Grabe siya mag-toothbrush, no? Yung talagang toothbrush na toothbrush.
Bulang-bula no?
Thank you, Ate Mado.
Ito na.
Grabe. Ayan, sige si Roa next natin.
Yun. Good evening po sa lahat.
Ay, Popoy.
Mamata?
Hello,
Ano ka
ka na naman.
Ito po yung contact mo.
Next na natin. Roa.
Meron ba? Kay Ninita, di ba? Ulit. Hindi ko marinig. Kung ito man ang huling awiting aawitin, nais kong malaman mong ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang lumuha. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, sana iyong marinig tibok ng damdamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin, ang awitin ko'y iyong dinggin. At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Masabi ko sa'yo ng harapan, kung gaano kita kailangan. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, manatili ka sa puso ko kailanman. Para sa'yo ako'y lalaban, ako'y lalaban. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat. Ay, I score.
100! Nilakasan ng boses.
Wow.
Di ba ganun yan? Thank you, Ate Roan. Thank you, Roan.
Thank you. Happy
Explain mo
birthday.
naman.
Explanation. Salamat kasi nakilala ka namin.
Wow.
Wow, thank you.
Hindi, kasi kung hindi ka namin nakilala, palaboy-laboy kami dito sa Popo.
Oo.
Di ba, saan ba nakapasok si Roan dati? Direct na ba siya
Zero,
sa Tessie?
nasa ibang agency, nakapunta sila sa panel dahil may nag-fireworks. Hindi na sila
Ay,
umalis sa
sana
panel
all.
yun.
Dapat talaga nagpapa-fireworks tayo eh.
Si Roan tsaka si Vino nakapasok sa agency dahil sa fireworks.
Hala, nalaglag si Ate May.
May.
Okay?
Thank you, Roan.
Mga nan.
Hi, good evening
Hindi na ba si Ate May?
everyone. Diyos ko po, dito tayo sa kanta na hindi ko alam ang explanation. Sarap lang. Okay. Okay, game. Ay, wait lang. Nauna siya sa akin. Wait lang. Don't rush away with each passing day. You've come so far, don't throw it away. Leave me, leave me. Dreams are for weeping, wonders are waiting to start. Leave your story, fade up and glory. Hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. With clouds roll by for you and I. Souls in the wind must learn how to bend. Seek out a star, hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there is a fountain, washes our tears all the way. arms are swaying. Someone is praying. Please let us home. Come to stay. Sorry. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. With clouds roll by for you and I. When we are out there in the dark, dial upon the sun. In the dark we'll feel the light, warm our hearts, everyone. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. To see us through to forever, as high as souls can fly. The clouds roll by for you and I. Ano ba? Nakatulog na kayo? Nagpiyok kayo? Okay, ang title ng kanta is If We Hold On Together. Dahil nag-hold on together tayo, narating tayo sa Popo. Joke lang. Yung bagay talaga yung explanation nun. Okay.
Oo.
But, yung pwede na yun, di ba, no? Kasi nag-hold on together tayo, nakarating sa Popo. Tapos, eto, nakita ko yung manager na isang sexy, gorgeous, tapos yung isa naman, napaka... Parang lumayo, ano?
Sexy, gorgeous, ganda boses.
Oo, ganon. Ganda boses. Yun na yun, basta. Thank you so much. Yun. Thank you.
Thank you, Jinx. Pwede rin, nakapasok kay Popo, tapos nag-hold on together tayo as magkakaibigan. And ito tayo hanggang ngayon, magkakasama
Ikaw
pa.
pa lang may explanation sa mga kanta nila. Ikaw na mag-explain.
Hindi, alam mo yan, if we hold on together, ano yun eh. Ano ba yun? Music siya dun sa movie na parang puro dinosaur.
Opo,
Yung
opo.
parang ano sila,
Wow.
magkakaibigan sila na
Yung bagang parang...
hindi
sige,
nila alam
go,
yung
game.
gagawin nila, paano sila matatapos yung ano, yung gagawin nila. Tapos, ending nun, magkakaisama pala silang friends na makakaano. Ano bang tawag dun? Hirap mag-explain. Dapat di ko na inumpisahan to eh. Next time na lang.
Oh, di ba? Thank you. Yun na yung continuation na
Ano ba
explanation
title
ng
nun?
kanta.
Nung movie na yon?
Basta may dinosaur yun eh. Ano ba nga? Ano
Hindi,
nga title nun?
Jurassic.
Hindi yun ang theme song ng Jurassic eh. Basta
Basta
may...
ganun.
Oo.
Dino.
Next lang na.
Thank you.
Nahirapan yung sarili.
Oh,
Sabay
yun yung
pinatay lang daw
explanation.
sila ng mature. Ano ba yan? Dano.
Dinosaur kasi. Thank you, Jinx. Okay. Go, Kifey! Ito si Kifey.
Ayan
Hindi
na.
ko pa siya na-meet in person talaga.
Yes po.
Go, Kifey.
Song for you po. Gusto ko lang maging masaya. Let's dance. Happy birthday. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long as love has arrived, and I take God on my life. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The thoughts of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, then let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Hey, can't take my eyes off you. Hey! Happy birthday! 3, 2, 1, and I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. So on my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say I love you, baby. Don't let me down, I pray. I love you, baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love is right, and I thank God of my life. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Hey! Happy birthday! I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. So on my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say I love you, baby. Don't let me down, I pray. I love you, baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. Happy birthday po! Yan lang po.
Thank you. At bakit naman yan ang napili mong awitin?
At bakit naman? Because every time po na nakasama po ako sa live niyo, I can take my eyes off you, lalo na pag nagbibigay po kayo ng advice. Na unang-unang nakasama ko po kayo doon sa worship song na nagbigay po kayo ng advice, you give your opinions and suggestions, your thoughts. Those days, I can take my eyes of you, enlighten me the way that you share your experiences. Happy birthday po ulit.
Wow, thank you. Na-appreciate ko yun kasi na-appreciate mo yung mga ganong mga salita ko.
Hindi na magpastora ito.
Thank you so much, Kifay. Kudos kay Kay.
Alam mo, ang ilan na to, Teha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panglima na tong kumanta. Wala sa kanila nagsabing mabait ka.
Kasi mamaya pa natin nalaman yun eh. Kung
Wait
okay
lang.
pa talaga.
Excited ka, B. Tunay, Kifay. Tunay na yon.
Wala pa kasi. Explanation pa lang eh.
Hindi,
Nadawad
sorry, na-excite
eh.
lang ako. Nakaka-excite kasi eh.
Uy, pag-gift daw. Wala, kami po, pag-gift po kami. Go, Teme. Kami nga po ang kailangan ng gift. Ate Zara.
Kinakabahan na ako.
Ayan.
Hello?
Uy. Paki-record po mga kaibigan ang mga awitin.
Manager na yan.
Sumusunod.
Manager May na yan.
Hello?
Kailangan
Hello?
maganda introduction dyan, te. Introan mo, te.
Ikaw mag-introduction, dali.
Hello? Ayaw nga. Uy, hello?
Hello
Mga
din.
kapamilya,
Nasaan ka na?
ang ating susunod na kalaho mula sa Batangas.
Hello?
Ayaw nga eh.
Natunog na
Ay, hayop. It's all coming back.
Ay! Hindi ko kinakaya.
Patay.
Ate, wait, tanda mo yan. Nung kinakanta ko, pinapractice
Kanta
ko
pa kayo
lagi.
dyan. Kayong 5, kanta-kanta pa kayo. Sinilindi yun
Wag
kayo
mo
ni Manager Mel.
explain. Wag mong explain kasi yun nga yung
Ah,
explanation.
sige, sige, go.
Okay.
Kantayin mo na kasi.
Wait lang, ayaw nga nung mic ko eh. Ayaw makisama.
Sira ulo.
Hello?
Ano daw sabi ng mic?
Hala, Kipay, ba't ka nagtatanggal ng
Hello?
headset, Kipay?
Nagtatanggal.
Hindi, kinakausap ko si Kay. Sabi ko parang may babalik ba lahat?
Akala ko nagtatanggal ka na ng headset eh.
It's all coming back kasi parang may babalik lahat.
Hello? Hello?
Yung dedicate niya sa akin pero
Hi,
bumalik sa
hi.
kanya yung kanta.
Ate, may sigurado yung kulindir niyan. Baka silin labuyo yan, ha?
Hello? Wala.
Ayan.
Hello?
Wala kang mic.
Ayaw nga nung mic ko.
Yaman mo na, okay na yan.
Palag na yan. Rinig namin yung music
Go
mo,
lang,
go.
dinig ka namin.
Hello? Gusto ko may mic eh, para
Kasi
pinapil
pumili
ko.
ka na ng setup.
Hello?
Gusto niya daw may mic para feel na feel niya.
Hoy, ba't naunahan ka na ni Celine kumanta?
Dapat yung with lyrics lang dapat, no? Hindi yung karaoke, no?
Karaoke ka nga pumunta.
Ikaw, bahala ka
Wala
sa
ka.
buhay mo. Pwede
Okay
namang
na
wala.
Dapat hindi yung nakanta si Celine, ako lang dapat.
Oo nga, karaoke ka nga
Karaoke
pumunta.
yun,
Sa
karaoke.
I-search mo karaoke.
Okay, go na.
Ano, parang kasalanan pa rin.
Yan. Kasalanan ka ni Celine. I-search mo, it's all coming back. Karaoke kasi.
Parang kasalanan namin lahat.
Okay na, tama na.
Ayan na guys. Ayan na.
Go, go!
Let's welcome our
Ayaw
very
nga
own
nung mic ko
manager
eh, wala
Mel.
na, bahala na.
Complaint Agency.
Ready na ba kayo? There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel
Gusto namin may action.
and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how, and I banish every memory you and I had ever made. But when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When I touch you like this, and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any loss alone. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, and if you whisper like that, it was long lost ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming that you were history with the slamming of the door. And I made myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time of you since then. But if I touch you like this, and if you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you touch me like this, and if I kiss you like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were nights worth never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than all your love alone. Baby, 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 when you touch me like this, and when you hold me like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. When you see me like this, and when I see you like that, then we see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the madness is all coming back. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. Okay na yun.
Napaos!
Yun nun.
Uy, nawala na boses.
May ubo
Kulang
kasi
sa
talaga
practice,
ako.
nawalan ka to na boses.
May ubo kasi
Thank you,
talaga ako.
May. O, ba't mo napili
Alam
yung
niyo na,
kantang yan?
ang explanation niyan kasi, na-memorize ko yung kanta na yan, kaka-practice. Na-memorize ko yung kanta na yan, kaka-practice ni Donna. Kasi kada lalaban siya sa singing contest nung mga bata pa kami, lagi niya akong kasama. Pero yan yung talagang panlaban niya. Nakikisabay ako sa practice niya. Tapos kinakanta ko rin sa
Alam
video,
mo yung-
okay. Pero hindi
Pag magpa-practice ako, hindi ka makakapag-concentrate kasi andun sila ate May. Kasi paano yung katawan nila? Kaya, walan ka ng future kapag kasama mo sila.
Basta yan yung
Nawis ko
lagi
tuloy
niyang
yun.
kinakanta kapag siya, lalaban siya ng mga singing contest, nandun kami lagi. Support. Yan ang kanyang favorite na kanta.
Buti
Yan na
tanda
si
mo
MC.
pa, no? Tsaka, pero ikaw, ang pinaka-favorite mo, yung yung wag na wag mong magawa. Di ba yun? Ang kantang yun.
Yes. Sabi, di ba, song for you, hindi naman song for me?
Kaya nga, hindi. Naalala ko lang. Sige na, baka bago pa
iPad
mawala
si
ng
MC.
iPad si
Bale,
MC.
sa birthday mo daw, Ate May.
Sa birthday mo na lang kakantayin namin yung, wag na wag mong magawa.
Magawa.
Parang,
Nako.
alam mo, parang para sa'yo
Bila-
talaga yung kantang yun.
Si May
Si
pinapasabi
MCB na, si MCB, baka ko sana.
Go MCB.
Wait lang. Unati mo, mama.
Nagising na.
Patay. Vieni qua, vicino
Yun
alla
yung
mamma,
favorite
dai.
song ni Ate May. Kay Tootsie. Tootsie yun eh, Guevara.
Yung pa narinig boses ko, baliw ka.
Ayan na, ang ating manager, MCB.
Galing na magaling si Ma'am MCB magkanta. Nihintay ka talaga.
Oo.
Wait, iyak. Wait lang.
Lo. May background. Ayaw mo nun. May background ano pa.
Dobbiamo ballare, Mamotta?
I-mute mo muna.
Ito mo na si Cesare.
May hinahanap
Wait
lang.
lang, anak. Saglit lang, mama.
Hello everyone.
Hi! Dai, guarda. Tingnan mo, guarda. Come no, guarda. No. Ano
Ito yung
ba?
favorite song ni Ate May dati. Ganda. Oh, yan. Yan, naantog ko.
Really? Kung malores,
Oo.
yun na. Together, everyone. Together. Come on, let's have some fun. Together, every time. Just go together. Here now, it's time for celebration. Oh my God!
Yung bata na.
That's all I dream. Have no limitation. It's all die, baby. Let's go. Everyone, especially in their own way, and make each other strong. We're not the same. We're
Asan ka?
different in a good way. Together we
Magtago.
belong. We all in this together. Once we know there's a hope. No. Let us see that. Together. Tulang. Show it. Make a dream come true. Ano? Together, everyone. Together. Together. It's a fun. Together. Oh, here is speaking out. No, baby. Yeah, no. House. Yeah. The others are now everybody. No, please. Finish up. We all the things together. Ay, mali. Nawala ako. We all sing together. Once we know that we are real stars, we can sing. We all sing together. And it's so very strong that you have make a dream come true. All the things together. We make it stop for the time. Things together. Once we see there's a chance that we have and we take it. Why can't sing along? If you really going on, just go. No, say now. Why can't everyone have your hands up in the air? That's the way we do it. Let's do it. Let's shine the world. Get up. Wait lang, Roan. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are real stars, we can see that with all the things together. Any show when we start hand to hand, make our dreams come true. The things together. They can fly, sight. We can make it. Yeah, all the things together. Once we see there's a chance that we act and we take it. Wildcats everywhere. Have your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's do it. Come on, everyone.
Ano ba kasing iniiyak? May gab ka. Pero yun, yung iyak talaga ni Gab 3 minutes.
Oo, kasi nagaw ko. Sorry na, guys.
Nagra-rhyme naman ni Gabriel sa boses mo. Go!
Rinig ba?
Napagod sa kanta. Sa pagsasaway po siya napagod, ha? Kasi yung kanta basic sa kanya yun.
Yeah. Usually.
Ay, Diyos ko. Okay na si Gab.
Ha?
Okay ka na, Gab?
Bakit daw wildcat, eh?
Okay na.
Bakit daw wildcat?
Ha?
Bakit ba
Bakit daw
wildcat?
wildcat?
Wildcat.
Ah! Bakit ba yung kanta? Hindi ko alam. Meow? Rar?
Wala, humina si MCB dun sa part na yun.
Hindi ko na-gets.
Ano?
Hindi ko na-gets.
Ha? Hindi makapaniwala si JC na, na ikaw pa yung hindi nakagets. Ano ba
Hindi,
yan?
hindi na lang natin. Mahirap din naman yung multitasking, di ba? Yung may chesari ka habang kumakanta, di ba?
Totoo.
Mahirap din yun.
Totoo. Yeah, you know.
Buti na lang may lipstick ka.
Thank you.
Thank you, MC.
Dala ng lipstick.
You're welcome.
JC, kakanta ulit.
Yung
kami.
explain.
Ano nga explanation kasi nito ni MCB?
Explanation nun?
Hindi nga daw niya kasi alam eh.
Hindi ko alam. JC pa explain.
Sinex ko pa yung kanina, hindi ko rin maintindihan.
Piniem. We're all in this together. So, lahat tayo nandito together.
Oo, kasi hindi kanta para lang kay Donato, para sa lahat.
Panlahatan.
Yes. Yun na yun.
Di ba kanta yan sa High School Musical?
Nung nag-champion yata sila sa basket.
Oo. Shout out sa mga fans ni ng High
Zac
School
Efron.
Musical 1, 2, and 3. May 3 ba yun?
Oo. Hanggang 3 lang yun.
JC, kantahan mo pa kami? Kantahan
Sigurado
mo
ba kayo?
kami.
Wala akong setup eh.
Ikaw. Kahit wala.
Sigurado ba kayo?
Kahit ano.
Di ba kayo nagsasawa sa bunga?
Gusto mo kundiman.
Hindi naman.
Andyan ang iyong love.
Kasi kahit wala ka namang wala ka namang mic, okay naman eh.
Eme, alam ko na mabait ka eh.
Gusto ko
Huwag mo nang
ulitin mo
patunayan.
mamaya yung word
Wala
na
kang dapat
syempre.
patunayan. Wala kang dapat patunayan kasi mabait ka na. Kuya, ano kakantahin ko? Hindi ko alam. Ano kakantahin ko, te? Ano pa ba?
Dilaw.
Walang tang-in
Walang
dilaw.
kamatayan
Wala nang
dilaw.
kamatayan dilaw.
Walang kamatayan nila. Ay. Kaya mo kantahin yung A Million Dreams.
Hindi.
Yung kay Greatest Showman. A Million Dreams.
Hindi. Di ba never enough na lang. Yun lang alam ko dun eh.
Yung You'll Be Safe Here.
Sige.
You'll be safe here. Ganda din yan eh.
Kaya lang, iniisip ko kung maririnig mo ba to.
Oo.
Rinig niya?
Okay na.
Lalapit na lang sa laptop para malaki. Nobody knows just why you're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads and turns right. And if the universe conspires to make a life that makes us fuel and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Shout out Kipay! Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried. Mas maganda yata pag walang headset eh. With things like we were.
But all was all that we were all we belong. Mas okay to? And though the
Okay
world
naman parehas.
understand this unlikely union, then why it still stands. Someday we will be set free. Pray and believe when the light disappears and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here. Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Wounded heart when the light disappears and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here in my arms through the long cold night. Sleep tight. You'll be safe here when no one understands. I'll believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. Put your heart in my hands. You'll be safe here.
Alam mo, sobrang favorite ko din yan. Sa pagkakaibigan.
Sino ba ang safe space mo?
Ganda. Si God.
Uy, mamaya na daw yung tanong.
O paano kami mag-judge?
Si God ang pinaka-safe ko. Hindi, pero alam nyo, parang ang sarap sa feeling nung meron kang friend na feeling mo, safe na safe ka dun sa taong yon na kahit ano ikwento mo, kapag durog na durog ka, chat mo siya, punta ka dito, uy, usap tayo. Parang sarap sa feeling ng ganun. No? Nito kasing, tumanda na ako, parang wala na ako nun. Yung sa personal, puro na lang chat. Baka kapag tumatanda na babawasan ng kaibigan. Hindi ko alam. Baka ako lang. Parang hindi ako mahilig sa ganun. Nakakoma naman yung MC. Ay, sige, ako naman.
Paano kami tatawa, magbibiro, si God yung sagot mo?
Yan nga! Kaya nung nawalan ako ng parang friends na gano'n, nag-focus na lang ako kay God. Si God yung kinaibigan ko. Parang gano'n. Kung hindi ako
Hindi, wow.
magkaroon ng yung friend na personal na kausap, dinadasal ko lang kay God.
O di tapos yung joke.
Wala kayong mare-react. Bahala kayo, wala kayong ma-react dyan.
Wala, tapos.
Okay.
Tapos ang usapan, di natin pwede pahabain na si God yun.
Lalaban. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. Parang natawa na. But I can reach the heavens above na to.
Cover speech.
Take 2. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am? 'Cause I am free, free to do the things I wanna do. What took you so long to make me feel I can give love, a love so real? What took you so long to let me know that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me cry? So I will know the reason why. I'm so lucky I can smile. I didn't know this for a while. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. I can love you until the end. Yay! Ay, I can love you till the end. Forever hanggang next life. Alright, next, Alexa Baby.
Hello.
Tapos na ang New Year. Oh, yun na ulit. Yun na ulit.
Ko na. Baka may sumigaw dito I can almost see it. That dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My fate is shaken, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. Ayan na yung sigaw. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith, baby. It's all about the climb. Keep your faith, keep your faith.
Super ganda ng meaning ng kantang yan.
Yeah. Alam mo na yung meaning, Charis.
Oo, kasi nandun lahat yung meaning nun eh.
Favorite ko talaga yun.
Ganda.
Plus, ano siya,
Alam mo
yun
nung-
yung in-entry ko dun sa official live house.
Oo.
Kaya, yun yung
Oo,
ginusto
kaya
kong
ano,
i-dedicate sa iyo.
Ganda. Ganda.
Love it.
Thank you, Lexa.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Next time na
Diba daw? Well, tamang kain natin. May hindi namimigay.
Oo nga, pero ano,
May cracklings
ikutan
ba
ka
yan?
ng kainan dito.
Oo nga. Parang nagugutom din tuloy ako. Parang gusto ko rin humingi ng chichirya.
Diba? Tapos si
Madok,
MC na
ayop, anong biscuit yan?
To,
Nakaiga na si MC. Ano yan?
Naka-dextrose na siya dito.
cookies. Cookies na
Malaki
malaki.
ba yan? Kala ko chichirya. Kanina kala ko ano. Sarap.
Cookies na malaki.
Go to Madok.
Kain muna Ate May habang
Keep on moving.
And my next dedicated song po ay I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Alam mo na yan.
Don't wanna miss a thing. Okay.
Okay. Sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna sleep 'cause I miss you, and I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream I never do, I still miss you, and I don't wanna miss a day. Lying close to you, feeling heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering it's me you're seeing, that I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream I never do, I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. I don't wanna miss one day. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close. I feel your heart so close to mine, and I stare here this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do, I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. I'll fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. The sweetest dream would never do, I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. Don't wanna close Don't wanna miss a thing. Thank you.
Alam mo, pagkadinig ko, sana nagustuhan ng langit.
Nagustuhan din ng
Nagustuhan ng
heaven.
lahat. Thank you, Temado. Super.
Ako na.
Next, Roan.
Next song ko po is There You'll
Hello
Be.
sa mga nag-gift. Thank you po. Go, go, go.
Yeah. When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back on these days, I look and see your face. You're right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be, and everywhere I am there you'll be. Well, excited. Well, you showed me how it feels to feel the sky within my reach, and I always will remember all the strength you gave to me. Your love made me make it true. Oh, I owe so much to you. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. 'Cause I always saw in you my light, my strength. And I want to thank you now for all the ways for me. You were right there for me for always. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be, and everywhere I am there you'll be. There you'll be. Thank you.
Thank you sa beautiful song.
Thank you po.
Go Jinx na maputi. Ay, nakasilip pa, baby.
Nawala na ang mata
Nakasilip
ko.
pa,
Wait lang.
baby. Saan nagpunta?
Nang ibang ano yata to. Ay. Sinisilip kasi ako. Ay, sorry. Okay. you for so long. You are a friend of mine, but this is all it ever be. I love you ever since you are a friend of mine. And babe, is this all we ever could be? Tell me things I'll never know. I'll show you love you'd never shown. And then again, oh, where you go, I'm always at your side. You tell me about to love your heart, I listen very eagerly. But deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad I've known you all my life. You are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I love you then, and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now I know friends are all we ever could be. Tell me things I'll never know. I'll show you love you've never shown. But then again, where you are, I'm always at your side. Tell me about the love you had, I listen very eagerly. But deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, then again, then again, I'm done. Okay, thank you so much. Tarot-tarot. Title ng song is Friend of Mine. Okay, Madam Donna, ikaw explain. Joke lang. Okay, ganun pa din. Dahil pa rin kay Popo. Yo, ganun pa rin. Puro na lang si Popo, no?
Si Popo
Playing
naman ang
safe tayo.
punot dulo eh. Ng lahat.
Opo, just because of Popo.
Si Popo
Yun na
ang
yun.
naging platform para magkakilala tayong lahat.
Opo, yes. O, di ba? May extension na explanation ko. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jinx.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, Ife, ipaliwanag mo yung fireworks mo sa likod.
Magpuputukan na mamaya. Sige po. Muli, happy birthday. Para kay Ma'am Donna at saka sa atin lahat. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. Nosi Balasi. Sino ba sila? Nosi Balasi. Sino ba sila? Happy birthday po. Nosi Balasi. Sino ba sila? 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 Yan lang po. Happy birthday muli. Hayaan mo kung ano man yung mga naninira or ano man yung biglang dumarating sa buhay po ninyo. Basta alam nating tama ang ginagawa natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Muli, happy birthday po.
Galing. Sabi na yun eh. Sobrang dami talaga nating bashers. Kaya shout out po sa inyo. Ay, nako. Thank you, Kife. Ganda ng song. Go, Ate May. Ipaglaban mo. MC, ano nangyayari sa camera mo?
Game na ulit.
Kantahan pa?
Oo, ako na ulit kakanta. Bakit?
Nagreklamo bata.
Nagreklamo na yung anak. Kanta ka pa?
When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. And when there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. Where stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. When the world is kind and your dreams they need more time, I'll be there for you. If the rules they keep breaking and the future is fading, I'm there for you. And when the rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Knows where we'll go, what will tomorrow bring? But we have each other, just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and fly. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. The rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Pos na! Alam mo naman yon, di ba? Kahit na aming pagsubok, lagi lang tayo nandito para sa isa't isa.
Uy. Alam niya si Ate May, siya yung pinsan ko na kahit na magkalayo, andyan pa rin siya. Parang parang siya yung pinsan na parang kapatid. Siya yung tinuturing ko talagang sobrang parang kapatid na. Nagkaiba lang talaga ng nanay.
Nawala yung
Ate May,
camera
I love
ko.
you so much.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Oo, ang tagal talaga ng birthday ko. Hanggang ngayon, birthday ko pa talaga. Ang haba. Go MCV. Ay, nagpapalit ng diaper.
Uy, wala akong cellphone!
Alam mo, kada pupunta sa'yo, kada pag ikaw na, ang daming sagabal sa
Oo.
pangyayari sa buhay
Ang hirap maging single, ma'am.
Ang dami niyang excuses.
Hello. Ay.
Kanta ka na kahit walang
Anyways,
cellphone.
wait natin si
acapella,
MCV.
acapella.
Anong kanta? Na alam ko lyrics na hindi babasahin.
Sige lang. Kaya ka
Listen.
namin hintayin.
Baby Shark.
Listen now.
Baby Shark ka po. Mawakan. Ano kaya? Tingin na naman.
Hindi yung Beautiful in White.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics.
Siyempre, paano niya malaman lyrics? Kanta yun ng asawa niya sa kanya. Hindi siya yung kumanta doon sa para sa asawa.
Para maiba naman, no? Siya naman ang kumanta.
Yo, say what I want, what you really want. So tell me what you want.
Yun yung kakantayin mo eh.
I wanna wait. If you are my future. Ano ba yun? Na. If you wanna get with me, when it's fast. No way, girl. Na. Yet together we just need just one. Yeah, say what I want, what you really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna this. Huh?
Rapper. Woo!
Spice Girls ba yun? Ito pa play natin.
Yes. I was one of them long time ago.
Wow! If you want my future, forget my past.
If you wanna get with me,
Be my
Yan,
friend.
na-record ni Tita Paz yung love mo.
Together we can
You wanna be my lover.
never gonna get you here. It's getting serious. Let's be right now. I know I feel.
Oh, kabisado. Sana all.
In my life, I'm so real.
Hey,
I know
sir,
it's
I'll give you a try. If you really want me, then say goodbye. I say what
I say what I
I
want, what you
want.
really want. Come tell me what you want, what you really want.
I wanna.
I wanna really
My friends, make it last forever.
Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to live. That's it, it's anything. That's the way you see.
Gotta listen. We gotta play some rap.
What you wanna, what you wanna,
If you wanna be my
be my
lover,
lover.
you gotta
You gotta
be
get
a
with my
friend.
friend. We'll last forever. Friendship never ends. Lover, you have got to. Let me just the iPad. Make it too easy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let it too easy. Let's do it. You can be my lover. You have got to. Let it easy. Let's do it.
Hindi na nakatulog yung anak ni Alexa. Kanina pa niya pinapatulog.
Hindi ko
You
pumasok.
wanna be my lover.
My lover.
Ang galing. Ba't kabisado mo to?
Di ba?
Galing mo ah. Tapos,
Alam mo, na-record ni Tita Paz yung pag-rap mo. Ang galing. Pwedeng gawing ringtone.
Ha?
Parang naghihinga. Alam mo, hirap na hirap si Sophia. Hindi siya makatulog. Kanina kay Ate Jinx, patulog na siya. Tapos si Kipay, yung kanta niya, nakakasayaw, hindi siya nakatulog. Si Ate May, tapos si MCB, wala na, hindi na siya nakatulog.
mix na yung ano niya, yung pandinig niya.
Anak, sorry. Pasensyahan mo na ang mga singer natin.
Ay, nako.
Ayan. Thank you sa lahat ng mga songs. JC, kakantahan mo pa ba ako? Andyan ka pa ba? Gising ka pa ba? Buhay ka pa ba dyan? Gusto mo
Huwag tayo mag-away.
reset?
Wala, nakabaon na
Okay,
yan.
so may tanong ako na lang. Sige, tanong na ako.
Umpisa sa baba.
Baba mo na. Sige, sa number. Alexa, may tanong ako. May kinaiinisan ka ba na ugali ko?
Oy, ang lalim!
Yung tanong, lahat to tatanungin ko naman. Ano, may kinaiinisan ka ba o kinababad trip ka? Na pwede kong itama, na pwede kong ayusin. Ha?
Ang bait mo kasi. Mabait
Baliw.
ka. Yun, yung pinainit.
Hindi, malay mo, may naasar ako dito, masyadong ganito, masyadong ganyan. Kung hindi mo lang masabi, a moment, may mga moment na ganun.
Wala naman. Bakit ganun yung tanong mo sa akin?
Wala. Hindi, kasi gusto kong malaman kung may mga mali ako para maayos ko. Alam mo yung ganun? Kasi 'di ba minsan hindi natin alam na nagkakamali nga tayo.
Well.
Tapos 'di ba, syempre nahihiya yung tao sabihin sa iyo. Ano nga yung ganun?
Hindi,
Sige,
siguro
ito
yun.
naman. Ito patanong ko sa'yo. Ano kaya?
Sige, sige. Ang hirap
Kung
naman.
magkakaroon ng next life, tapos makikilala mo ulit si Donna, sino si Donna sa buhay mo?
Ha, ang lalim.
Kung magkakaroon ng next life, sino, kung di ba syempre, for example, gusto mo ba siyang kapatid, kaibigan lang, kaibigan, best friend, nanay, mga ganon, katulong.
Aso.
Aso.
Fish. Red fish.
Isda dun sa, ano nyo, isda sa may, ano man tawag dyan?
Aquarium.
Aquarium, mga ganon.
Hindi, siguro in a next life kung may possibility, no? Possibility. Yun, siguro tropa, pero yung tropa na nakikita, yung nakakainuman, ganon, nakaka-jam, ganon. Sa personal. Hindi yung sa cellphone lang, ganon. Tropa pa rin, pero mas
Ako
tropa,
din.
kumbaga. Di ba?
Oh, parang ang sarap nung ganun na yun, no?
Yeah.
Yung maikatropa ka na, ganyan. Nakatulad ni Alexa. Eh? Siguro warak na warak ka lagi.
Ay, nako,
Inuman kasi
talaga.
na tropa eh.
Alam mo kung paano maging kaibigan si Alexa? Yung nag-share kayo kung magkano yung pera sa bangko, kung magkano yung dumating na na bills.
Yeah.
Uy, ganun talaga. Ganun lang ang buhay
Hindi mo
ngayon.
sinishare.
Oh.
Ay, yung first impression mo sa akin, sige. Tama yun. Tigta 3 tanong.
Ang una, akala ko, yung parang hindi mabait. Hindi sa hindi mabait, parang suplada, parang bossy, ganon, parang kang bossy. Kasi syempre, si manager yan, mataas yan, kumbaga, no. Lalo na ngayon, siguro yung mga bagong pasok ngayon dito, si Founder Donna, shoota.
Tinaasan masyado yung pangalan. Ginawang founder.
Founder. Wala, pero mabait ka naman. Kita naman agad sa tao yon na mabait. Sobrang bait mo nga eh. yun yung sasagot ko sa Yun talaga yung sagot ko sa unang tanong mo kung ano yung mali mo. Sobrang bait mo. Minsan you're too much mabait. Pwede ring mag-no, pwede ring magalit minsan, ganun. You're too mabait.
Alam
Nate-take
niyo
for
yung
granted.
galit ko napupunta kay Kulas.
Alam ko, parang feel
Sa kanya na napupunta yung asar ko. Kaya nga ako Kulas eh.
Yun yung nakakainis ni Alexa. Diba? Sobrang bait niya talaga. Yun lang. And I
Thank you. Na-appreciate mo ko.
Siyempre.
Ay, si Ate Wado. Ate Wado.
Iiyak na yan.
Ate Wado, ano kayang tatanungin ko dito? 6 kasi to eh.
Hoy, nagpakita ka pa.
Sige, umpisahan natin sa first impression ulit. Sige. Ano pa yung first impression mo sa akin? Ako nakita na ako ni Ate Wado. Tahimik lang.
Alit siya ko nun yung nakita kita. Bata pa nito, may baby. Ay, baby pati may tahimik. Sabi ko.
Uy!
Parang baby tahimik.
Parang kang kamatis. Sinong kamatis?
Si JC, ang pula ng face.
Skin.
Okay. Ano daw? Iba yung dinig ko.
Hinaan mo pa, Madu.
Okay.
Hinaan mo pa para magkaintindihan.
Hindi, seryoso. Tahimik na lang sa'yo. Tapos strict. Yan, pagka-strict siya.
Ellie.
Ayan, perfect. Hinaan mo pa, konti pa.
Hirap na kami, Mado.
Ang galing. Swak na swak.
Mag-grip ka na kagad mo. Mag-grip ka na lang magpapaghulaan.
Sige. Ate Mado, kung magkakaroon ng next life, anong gusto mong role ko sa buhay mo?
Wait lang. Paulit nga ng tanong, tinanggal ko yung
Kung magkakaroon ng next life, wow, parang ano sa pageant. Anong gusto mong role ko sa buhay mo?
Hey!
Ano daw? Grabe, ba't gano'n? Ang hina ng boses mo, Ate Mado.
Hello. Okay na?
Yan!
Ayan.
Yun.
Sabi ko, best friend.
Ay, best friend. Uy, ako yung best friend na hindi nang iiwan. Saring.
Ngayon ko
Okay,
lang
so kung best friend mo ako,